Coming up on this week's news, your commute around Philadelphia Metro and South Jersey could be costing you more soon. Kansas is already removing old toll booths and equipment less than a month after going cashless. And we take a trip across a Virginia toll road to reach a North Carolina landmark. Hello everyone, and welcome to this week's update of all that's coming down the pike. Toll increases are definitely coming for the 4 Delaware River Crossings that connect New Jersey and the greater Philadelphia metro area. A toll increase was given the final approval in the past week by the Board of Commissioners of the Delaware River Port Authority. Tolls are now set to go up September 1st for the 4 bridges operated by DRPA. Those bridges are the Ben Franklin Bridge, the Walt Whitman, the Commodore Barry, and of course the Betsy Ross Bridge. This is the first toll increase on those 4 bridges since July of 2011, even though a biennial increase was approved long ago. The rate increase will bring passenger car tolls for a single crossing to $6, while heavy trucks and haulers would pay $9 per axle. A reminder, tolls are about to go up August 15th for those of you who use the State Road 520 bridge north of Seattle. The new rates will continue to vary by time of day. The maximum charge for a 2-axle passenger car, though, is going up to $4.90 during peak travel times, and that's for those with a good-to-go pass. License plate tolling rates are typically about $1 per axle more. Overnight costs are going up only a dime for passenger cars, from $1.25 to $1.35 between 11 p.m. and 5 a.m., and that is, of course, for good-to-go account holders. The Kansas Turnpike Authority is wasting little time removing old toll booths now that the Kansas Turnpike itself has gone cashless. Less than a month into the conversion, portions of the Lawrence toll plazas along I-70 were dismantled with a crane before being hauled away during the past week. The KTA's Rachel Bell told the Lawrence Journal-World the 18-month-long project will continue next with the dismantling of plazas at exits 197, 202, and 204, with repaving and roadway restoration work scheduled to begin shortly thereafter. The Kansas Turnpike Authority finalized its conversion to cashless tolling on July 1st. Could Nevada be about to get its first toll? The Las Vegas Review-Journal has reported on the opening of a new toll booth on the road leading to Hoover Dam. That booth sits just past the security checkpoint for the dam, but it is currently unstaffed and is inactive. The toll booth was built by the U.S. Department of the Interior, which runs Hoover Dam, and is authorized to charge a fee for commercial tour operators who visit the dam. However, a spokesperson for the Interior Department's Bureau of Reclamation told the RJ they had not been briefed on any plans to begin charging tolls to access the dam. The roadway across the dam was once the only way to cross from southern Nevada into northern Arizona, but a flyover bridge on US 93 opened nearly 14 years ago, which bypasses the top of the dam in its entirety. Now, from one tourist attraction to another, we fly east to the coast of North Carolina, in Kitty Hawk specifically, where we visit the Wright Brothers National Memorial. This is one of those attractions that is off the beaten path a bit. It can only be accessed in North Carolina by taking US 64 east from I-95, or from Norfolk, Virginia, by heading south across the Chesapeake Expressway. That's a toll road connecting travelers to the road that takes them to the Wright Brothers Monument. This is a worthy drive, as the memorial features an array of indoor and outdoor exhibits, including remnants of the actual powered glider that became the first plane in the sky. There are also stones marking the various locations where each of the first flights landed, and of course the massive stone that is the memorial atop the hill that was used as the launch point for those first flights on December 17, 1903. Next week, we stay in North Carolina as we take a look at the possibility of tolling on the Cape Fear Memorial Bridge. This, as a new toll payment option has rolled out for drivers in the Tar Heel State. Until then, we thank you once again for watching. Remember to drive safely and remember situational awareness. From all of us at Turnpikes.com, the Turnpike Authority.